Okay, so in honor of the Sephora sale, I want to do a full face of whatever I have for in Sephora. So let's see what we can come up with. I have the Sephora Micro Skin Powder, the blush, cream lip stain, and the best skin ever. Low key, I cheated a little bit because I tried it. I did some experimenting, didn't like it. So let's see what we come up with right now. I told you guys I cheated because I wanted this. I saw how this concealer is bomb. This concealer is currently 30% off right now. Go get it. Go run and get this, because listen, once I start getting some clients, I'm getting this in every color that I possibly can, because this concealer can work as a foundation. This is a full coverage concealer, multi-use, natural finish, long wearing, and anti-pollution. But yeah, it's a must. Thought about getting this? Go run and get it. It's 30% off right now. The sale just started today, which is the 15th. Oh, 14th. Today is the 14th. I'm trying to look for my concealer brush. And I should have used some, what is that called? I should have used some Sephora brushes, which is also going to be 30% off. Yeah. Y'all go get y'all some. I got to get this in a contour, my contour color, and probably my skin color, because this is my highlighting color. Okay, so we have the concealer on, and then I'm going to go in with my face powder of the Microsmooth. Yo, on a typical day, I probably couldn't walk out with this like that. Yes, babes. And so I'm gonna take the lightest little bit of this. That's too much. But I said lightest. That's gonna be too much. I know, because I tried. But that's gonna be my blush. And there's still a lot on my hand. Let me take my white. And then I'm gonna take this. This is very pigmented, if you can't tell. Use this micro skin powder in deep as my contour. So I had to put some mascara on. I can't do a look without mascara. That's not Sephora. I typically use the same mascara. I don't really try different mascaras unless I'm gifted it. But last piece is the lips. This is a must. Okay, so this is the finished look. Everything I used was the Sephora products. We have the, let's start with what we use first. Best Skin Ever. My regular Microsmooth, I can't get it out. Microsmooth powder and tan. And this was my contour powder in deep. This is actually a lip stain, you guys, and I did it in a gift set. But this was my cream blush, and this was my regular. But this blush is amazing. Yeah. So look, I use this to take off my makeup. This is not one of the products I used in this video, but I used this in this, and it's a cleansing balm. This is what I use to take off my makeup. Must get, must have. So I will be doing more videos of these during the sale. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I would say what other video y'all want to see from me. What other video products. I have a Denessa. I think I'm gonna test these out. I bought these recently, and I bought a deeper Yummy Skin to use it as bronzer, so I can do a full face of Denessa Myricks. Let me know if you want to see. I forgot I used this too. This is bomb. But the Sephora products, bomb. Make sure you guys cop that. I'll talk to you guys later. And if you guys want to see more of me, make sure you're on my TikTok. Make sure you're on my YouTube. I'm about to get back in my bag, you know. Seriously. Yeah.